This is a short video explaining the Year of Smart Town workshops that we're doing. There are 3 workshops. I'm just going to explain each one. The first workshop is Know Your Town. So at the end of this workshop, we hope people will understand what are aspirations and the different kind of things, different aspirations you can have for a town. And hopefully the towns themselves that attend will be able to define their own aspirations and attributes. Every town is different. Also, we're looking at dwell time, how high streets can be made to get people to stay longer, to make them more sticky. Also, the kind of people that you have, hopefully to help drive this project forward as a smart town, what kind of skills that'll be needed in terms of that. And then throughout this workshop and the remaining 2, there is an underlying action plan that's going to be completed by those attending. So moving on to the second workshop then, this looks at the technology that can be implemented in the smart town. So first of all, we're looking at the digital infrastructures, whether they exist or not, what condition they're in, and also then the technology that can be put on to the digital infrastructures, so giving different examples. There's also barriers to overcome to get buy-in, implementing the different technologies, and then the digital skills that are going to be needed to make use of these technologies as well. We're going to cover that off. And again, the action plan is being completed during the workshop as well. The final workshop then is about the technology being utilized to capture the data and getting some insights and therefore information to help make decisions in terms of the town, going back to those initial attributes and aspirations. So setting objectives basically to make a marked difference and be able to measure that then with the technology that's been implemented. They're also, we're looking at the wider considerations then. Some technologies may need terms and conditions of use, agreements being put in place, and possibly GDPR implications as well. And towards the end of the workshop then, we look at how you can share this information, who do you share it with? And so look at some tools for doing that. And then we'll look at the action plan at the end. And the hope is that with these completed action plans, as a result of attending all 3 workshops, they can be sent to the Smart Town team, and they can review them and give advice and guidance and send them back to the towns and hopefully help them move forward with their project within the town. So hopefully that gives you a bit of an overview of the workshops, and we'll look forward to seeing you attending. Thank you very much.